Is multiple income funnel still worth joining in July 2022 and beyond? Hey, it's Ari here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video specifically, I'm going to answer the question, has multiple income funnels withstood the test of time throughout the year and a half that it's been available, or I think almost 2 years that it's been out now, compared to a lot of other systems that are blowing up, tons of other business opportunities that have been popping up? Should you join this if you're someone who is brand new to making money online, if you're someone that's looking to start a profitable side hustle, if you're someone that wants to start an online business, or maybe you're someone that wants to quit your job and simply work online full time? Is this a good option for you? You'll find out exactly in this video. So number one, I'm going to go over my results that I've had with the system so far. I'm also going to cover results that other members have had. I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how the system works. And then at the very end of this video, I've got a really cool bonus that I know for a fact is going to help you big time if you are looking to create an income online. Not just with this, but even just in general. I have something really cool for you at the end, which will not cost you anything, and I'm very excited to, of course, give that out. So anyways, this system right here, I want to start off by showing some results that I've had personally, simply with the system so far. So keep in mind, this is just from one income stream that is inside the system. So this system has multiple income streams you could earn from, multiple different ways you can get paid with this. And so with one of the income streams alone, the main income stream, the system itself, you are able to earn monthly residual income. Now, what's really great about this is that with this system, I've been promoting it for quite a while now, and I've had members that have joined me like several months ago, some even over a year ago, that still have their accounts active, and I'm still continuing to get paid pretty much every week for pretty much every week and every month, ever since I started promoting this. So check this out. So far with the system, I've been able to hit in total over $8,000 from monthly residual income. So I've been referring people to the system right here for quite a while now, and as you can see, so far with monthly residual income, I've been paid out a total of $8,000, which is really great. And as you can see right here, I have even more commissions and pending, over $1,000 worth that's about to be paid out very soon, which is really great. And I'm even going to pull back the curtain a little bit more. There actually was a point just a few months ago where I actually was not promoting this system at all for like a few months. I actually took some time off because, well, number one, I was promoting another system for a bit, and I wanted to focus on that. And then there was some other things that happened kind of in my personal life where I kind of just took some time off, online in general. There was one point where I got COVID actually, which, for someone like myself, I very rarely ever get sick. And there was like a 3-week period where pretty much all I was doing was I was laying in bed, and because I was so low on energy, all I was pretty much doing was just laying in bed, and I just didn't want to do anything other than pretty much play video games. Now, during that time, I was still continuing to get paid very generously from the system, and that's because I had members that I signed up, quite a while ago that were still keeping their accounts active, and I was still continuing to get paid, which is really great. And keep in mind, this is just from one income stream inside the system. This doesn't include any other income stream that I could show, like, for example, here's another one where I've made $2,000 from a small handful of sales. Here's another one that I've made almost $2,000 so far. And there's there's plenty of other ones in here that I could show as well. But this is just to give you an idea on what's exactly possible. And the benefit with this is that, again, I mentioned this being monthly residual income, a few times already, but think about it this way, right? Let's say that you decide to join a program like this, right? And you decide to, take some of the advice that I'm going to give you, in this video, and you decide to, put in the work now. You can, start getting, tons of sales. You start getting tons of referrals, and then maybe like a month, maybe 2 months from now, you have some sort of down period. Maybe something happens. Maybe you just decide to take some time off, or whatever the case is. You never know what might happen. And because you have put in work to, initially, months ago or maybe a year ago, you continue to get paid as long as people keep their accounts active, which is pretty cool. So again, this is just to give you an idea on what's exactly possible, but I want to show some more results, right? So here's another member here. This is, by the way, in the Facebook group. Here's a member by the name of John Yanoka, who about a week ago actually got a $3,200 commission just from one income stream alone, right? So you see the commission right here that he got. Here's another one that he got, I think that same day, which was like $80. So just from 2 sales alone, he made $3,280, which is pretty phenomenal, right? And so there's tons of other members in here that are getting great results. You see monthly residual income and plenty of other members in here. And there's tons of members sharing their results pretty much on a daily basis. Not just people who've been in this for some time, but a lot of people who are brand new as well, which is really phenomenal, right? So the system is definitely working. It's still working very well today, but the other question is, okay, what exactly is this? Okay, you show me the results. You show me that it's working for you. It's working for other members. What exactly am I getting when I decide to join the specific program? Well, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on pretty much how this works. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard right here. And so the system right here is a simple 4-step done-for-you system that allows you to earn from multiple income streams, right? So all you have to do here is once you get signed up, which, by the way, there's going to be a link down below, and you can go to that anytime. That's going to take you right over here. You could simply just enter your name and email, and that will take you over to the video that'll explain more about how it all works. You could see the full video explaining the whole system and all that. And so once you get signed in, all you do is you just go through the 4 steps, simply watch the welcome video, join the Facebook group, which I showed you right here, where people share their results. You see also another thing that they do is they do like daily video calls in here where they give updates, they give motivation, some tips, some strategies that you could implement, which is really great. So they do those regularly. Once you get accepted in there, you can go to step 2, and this is where you set up your 4 main income streams you could earn from. So now there's 4 main income streams that are in here. You also have some more of them up here that you could check out if you want to, bonus income streams. And so your main, pretty much all you have to do when going through here is you just go through, watch the 4 videos, which explains how each income stream works and pretty much what it's all about, what you're getting. And then once you get signed up for that specific income stream, all you have to do is simply take your username that you created for that specific platform. You then paste it in, whatever field that's, displayed right here. You click on save. In my case, it doesn't show it because I've already done this, but you just do that, you click on save, go to the next one, and you just do the same for those, right? So you get those set up, you go to step 3. This is where you'll set up your e-wallet. This is, of course, how they pay out their commissions with the multiple income funnel system itself. And this right here, this minute-long video pretty much explains how to do it. You just submit a few documents, and then once you do that, you could start getting your commissions. Pretty simple. And then step 4 is pretty much just a back office tour explaining where everything is and how to use the system. So once you have everything set up, it's really just a matter of going into your links tab right here. And this is where you'll find your promotional links, and pretty much your main focus with this is simply to get good at sending eyeballs, sending visitors over to any of your links. Now, the benefit with this system, compared to a lot of other systems out there, a lot of other affiliate products, specifically like ClickBank products or JVZoo or any of these other ones, typically when you go out there and you promote other programs online, you have to learn things like building up funnels. You got to learn how to build your own capture pages. You got to learn how to set up a fancy website. You got to learn how to record sales videos and send out your own emails and all these different things, right? This system takes a lot of that heavy lifting off your shoulders. So the system does a lot of the explaining for you, and your main focus is simply driving traffic, letting the system do a lot of the other things, and then you can learn any of these other things down the road. But the main focus is to simply help you get up off the ground, help you get up and running, and that is why I believe this system is worked so well for someone like myself, as well as other members that have been, as well as a lot of other newbies that have joined this system as well, right? So that right there pretty much explains the main gist of how the system works and really all the benefits. Now, what I actually have for you, I have a really cool bonus that I want to give you, and something that I've recently started doing. I've decided that I want to start doing this for my members specifically, is that very recently on my YouTube channel, so on this very channel that you're watching right now, I created a brand new training series where I show exactly how I go about promoting this exact system. And you could actually find that simply by going to my channel, which you're on right now. You just go to my channel, click on the playlist tab, and then right here, you will find a playlist called Free High Ticket Affiliate Training Series, right? You want to click on View Full Playlist right here. And this right here is a step-by-step, day-by-day training series where I show exactly how to promote this exact system and how to get results with this. So I show you how to get sales pretty much on a daily basis. I show you pretty much everything that I'm doing to get sales, just like myself promoting this exact system. And all you have to do is simply follow in the exact footsteps that I lay out for you. So if you could follow simple instructions, you could watch videos step by step, and you could follow simple instructions that I lay out for you, then my friend, I know for a fact you can get phenomenal results with the system. So your main focus here is, number one, investing in yourself, and number two, having a long-term mindset and taking action on a daily basis. If you could do those two things consistently, then I know for a fact those two things alone will give you a massive advantage over majority of people, right? Majority of people don't want to invest in themselves. Majority of people do not want to put in the work. And therefore, majority of people that try anything don't really get the results, right? So by making this decision to jump in today, so you can join right here. And by the way, I actually want to also talk about this real quick. So when you click on the link down below, that will take you over to the video that will explain more about how this all works. And by the way, you can get started, down below for $49 per month, right? So $49 a month is what it costs to get started with this specific program right here. My pen is being really weird for a minute. Okay, there it goes. So $49 a month is what it costs to get started with this specific program. And what I would recommend that you do, and this is something I've noticed with members that I've referred that have gotten great results, and also myself as well. What I recommend that you do is once you join the $49 per month membership, what will happen is they will present you with the option of canceling out your monthly fees and instead paying annually, right? So what would happen is you will then be given the option to pay an additional $349 up front, and then afterwards it'll just be $399 annually. Now, of course, this right here is optional. You can still just do the monthly membership if you want to. However, what I've noticed personally with members who have gotten great results with this is that all the members that I've referred that have gotten great results with this program, pretty much all of them went for the annual plan. And there's a few reasons why I recommend this personally over the monthly plan. Number one is you are eligible to earn not just on the monthly level. So, when you refer someone to $49 a month, you get $20 commissions. But, when you come into annual, you can get $200 instead of just $20. Now, that's of course one reason why I recommend joining annual. It gives you a bit more earning potential. But the main reason why I suggest starting at this level right here, as opposed to the monthly plan, is because this is more of a mindset thing. You tend to be much more motivated. You tend to be more committed to the business, which then of course creates better results for the long term, as you tend to take it more seriously versus someone who just joins the monthly plan. They're kind of just dipping their toes in the water, right? $49 a month isn't really that big of an investment. You could join, you can cancel anytime, and a lot of people who join the monthly membership, they, a lot of them, I mean, some of them do stick with it for a while. I do have members on the monthly plan that have been with me for, several months up to a year that still have their accounts active. But what I've noticed is that people who join annual, they stick with it much longer. They always have better results. And also, in addition to all that, if you follow exactly what I show you in this free training right here, then you could very easily make back this investment very easily, no problem at all. So the other benefit with this, and the other way that I recommend looking at this, is that when you decide to join annual, you have an entire year before your next billing. You have an entire year to make $400, which if you follow exactly what I show you in this step-by-step, day-by-day training, then it shouldn't be that difficult to do. If you refer just 2 people at the annual level, then you've already broken even, and everything else that you make that year is 100% profit to you within that first income stream, right? So when you look at it that way, it's really no-brainer. I recommend it. I simply cannot recommend enough, because the members that I've had that have gotten the best of results, pretty much all of them are at this level. And I've noticed that, myself being an annual member, I was, much more committed, and I got better results myself. So Anyways, that's my recommendation. Of course, join at whatever level that you feel comfortable at, but try to stretch yourself if you can, and this way you will just have a much better edge over most people. So anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click the first link down below. That will take you right over here. Get started today. And once you get started, start going through my free training series. You follow the what I show you in these videos. I promise you could have phenomenal results if you stick with what I show you. So I show you a lot of things. How to drive traffic, how to how to do email marketing, how to do YouTube, how to do a whole bunch of things that I show you in this video. Domain forwarding, pretty much everything you need to know to get sales with this program. The best advice I can give is simply trust the process. So that pretty much goes over everything I want to cover in this video. Again, I mentioned everything earlier. Leave a like, comment, check it out down below, and I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.